Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back again with me Mahasiswa in reading 2 subject. What we are going to learn in this week is similar with the topic we learned in the second week. Yeah, the skill we are going to learn is skimming techniques. So this is the same one with the technique we can use in reading for the gist. What is the objective of this week? The objective is that first, you can practice, understand, and also identify reading strategy, namely skimming skill, and also you can look for the main idea of each paragraph. So this is the same one with the concept of gist, that is gist, the same or similar with main idea. What we can do in skimming technique, the step that you can do first, read the first sentence from each paragraph, or you can also read the last sentence of the whole thing. And then the second one, read the abstract or the summary of a text, and then you can also identify subtitles or subheadings on each paragraph, and also diagrams or pictures available in the text. By identifying several aspects in text, you can get easily the main idea of a text. So you can do this one also when you get the topic of reading for the gist. So this is a general explanations about skimming. Also, you can read another definitions and also concept of skimming by reading and also answering the discussion questions in this week. Don't forget that this week you are going to have the first task. So please do this on time, and don't forget to answer your friends' questions and give comments to other answer. See you again next week with another topic. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.